It's the car doctor. How can I help you?
Oh, hi. This is Teal calling from the Angie's List Concierge. Were you guys formerly known as Donner Automotive?
Yeah, 1 point. This is car doctor. What can I do for you?
Oh, okay. Well, I just wanted to let you know that I sent over a business lead to info@donnerauto.com. A customer had reached out to us about some work, and I had sent that over to you. He's located in the zip code of 99507, and then also sent over your contact information to them as well.
Okay. Well, hey, I super appreciate that. Thank you so much.
Absolutely, absolutely. Is that still the best? Is that still a good email for y'all?
Yeah, yes, it is. Yeah, that's perfect email.
Okay.
Excuse me. Sorry about that. Go ahead.
Oh, sure, you're fine. I just wanted to give you that heads up that lead was in your box so that you don't think it's spam or nothing.
Yeah, everything from Angie's List we pretty much mark as spam. I think that's a blocked sender in our email system.
Oh. Oh, okay. I don't know if you can access those. It's coming from the concierge email address. So hopefully you'll be able to see that. But yeah, all the contact information for the customer is there in that email.
Yeah, you can just direct them to call our phone number, and we'll call them. That'd be a real gas.
Okay. Well, we don't have their telephone number. The best thing that we have is their email address. They're looking for some muffler repair, exhaust repair.
Yeah, we specialize in exhaust systems.
Okay. We don't have their telephone number. We just have their email, and I sent their contact information to that info@donnerauto.com.
Roger Dodger, 10-4 on that one.
All right. Well, good luck, and hopefully y'all can make a good connection.
All right, we're looking forward to it. Hey, thanks for calling.
No problem. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye now.